Hello, dear students. Today we will start with the topic e-banking from the same chapter Internet and its services. Okay, e-banking or electronic banking is a term. It is a term by which a customer may perform banking transactions electronically without visiting the bank personally. See, with the help of e-banking, we can do all the tasks related to bank uh, by sitting at our home with the help of e-banking, with the help of internet. If we have internet connection in our mobile phone, in our laptop, in our computer, then we can do all the tasks, all the work related to bank, whether we need to submit, whether we need to transfer money, whether we need to open an account, we need to open an FD. Okay, anything related to bank, any task related to bank for which we need to go to the particular bank branch for all these tasks, so we can do each and everything related to bank by sitting at our home. Okay, for that we no need to go personally to the bank. Understood? That is e-banking. For that we need internet connection, okay, in our mobile phone or in our laptop, from which or any of the device from which we need to perform e-banking. In other words, availing the banking services means we are taking benefits of the banking services, of the bank services through internet. It is known as e-banking. Okay, in internet banking system, the bank has a centralized database that is web enabled. You can access your banking information when it is convenient for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Means every time, whether it is day or night, 24 hours, you are free to do bank transactions, banking tasks, banking activities by sitting at your home with the help of e-banking. Understood? Now, next is searching information on internet. The internet is a worldwide resource of information. Internet is a worldwide resource, means it is a source house from where we are collecting information related to any topic, related to any person, any place or any topic. Okay, the primary reason why people use the internet is to search for specific information including text, pictures, music and video. Means what is the purpose of using internet? We are using internet, people are using internet for searching specific information related to any text, any picture, any music or video. Okay, people use it as a search tool to locate information. People are using internet to locate information, to search for any particular information. Two types of search tools are search engine and subject directories. These are the two tools of searching, two types of tools: search engine and subject directories. A search engine, now what is a search engine? A search engine is a program that finds websites. सर्च इंजन वो प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे हम वेबसाइट्स को फाइंड करते हैं. वेब पेजेस वी आर फाइंडिंग, इमेजेस, वीडियोस, न्यूज़, मैप्स एंड अदर इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक. किसी भी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कोई भी वेबसाइट, वेब पेज, इमेजेस, वीडियोस, न्यूज़, मैप्स, वी आर सर्चिंग ऑन सर्च इंजन. हम ये सब कुछ सर्च इंजन की हेल्प से फाइंड आउट करते हैं, वहाँ हम ये फाइंड करते हैं. Okay, a subject directory. Now what is a subject directory? A subject directory classifies web pages in an organized set of categories of groups. Subject directory क्या है? एक classification है, web pages का classification है. web page क्या है? What do you understand by web page? Each and every page on web is known as web page. Suppose हम कोई information के लिए जब search करते हैं तो जो pages appear होते हैं, these all are web pages. So what is subject directory? Subject directory classifies web pages. वो web pages को classify करता है as the use of directory. Okay, in an organized set of categories of groups. Groups में उसको classify करता है, such as sports or shopping and related subject directories. Understood? So if we want to search related to sports, so we'll directly go on the sports section, directly go on that particular directory, जहाँ पे थ्रू विच वी कैन गेट ईच एंड एवरी इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू स्पोर्ट. If we'll click on shopping, then each and every information related to shopping. Understood? Some websites offer the functions of both a search engine and the subject directory. कुछ websites दोनों ही facilities provide कराती हैं, functions होती हैं उनमें, subject directory as well as the search engine. Okay, now search engine in detail. A search engine is a software program. Search engine क्या है? एक software program है which helps in finding websites, जो हमारी help करता है websites को find करने में, वेब पेजेस को फाइंड करने में, एंड इंटरनेट फाइल्स. ओके, सर्च इंजन में वी आर सर्चिंग, वी आर फाइंडिंग वेबसाइट्स, वील टाइप एंड वील सर्च वेब पेजेस एंड इंटरनेट फाइल्स. सर्च इंजन्स आर पर्टिकुलरली हेल्पफुल इन लोकेटिंग वेब पेजेस. ये हेल्पफुल है वेब पेजेस को लोकेट करने के लिए, देखने के लिए ऑन सर्टेन टॉपिक्स, और in locating specific pages for which you do not know the exact URL. Yes, it is also very important to understand what is the use of search engine. Suppose we don't know the particular URL, we don't know the address of the particular site to which we want to go through. जिस site को हमें search करना है, we don't know the URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator, उसका address, web address. So with the help of related words, we can find web pages. That you are doing nowadays in your real life also. If you are searching for something and you don't know the URL, so related words, if you will type, so you can get the ideas just in the pop-up menus, or we can say नीचे सारे options आ जाते हैं, वहाँ से आप directly उस particular URL को search कर सकते हो. Okay, repeating, it is helpful in locating web pages on certain topics, or in locating specific pages for which you do not know the exact URL, means web address. Search engines require that you enter a word. इसके लिए क्या requirement है? आप किसी word को या phrase को enter करते हो. You will type. Called search text, उसको हम search text बोलते हैं. The word, the phrase you are typing in, typing or entering in search engine are known as search text. That describes the item you want to find. Okay, the particular item you want to find, you will type for that a word or a phrase. Many search engines use a program called Spider. बहुत सारे search engines में एक program inbuilt है, that is known as Spider, to display a list of all web pages. वो हमें सारे web pages की list को display करता है, that contain the word or phrase you entered. Means suppose you are typing banner, so related information related to banner, like banner website, like banner students, I'm giving you example only, like banner campus. So all the related words Spider will show us. उसके नीचे Spider में हमें सारे words show हो जाते हैं, और related to that word or related to that phrase. Also called crawler, इसको हम spider भी बोलते हैं, and we can also call it crawler or bot, BOT. A spider reads pages on websites. It is just because with the help of spider only वो सारे pages को read करता है website पे, in order to create a list or index of hits, ताकि आपको वो एक list provide करा सके आपके word या phrase से match करते हुए. Understood? That is the use of spider. That is the work of spider. Related words को search करके वो उसके एक list तैयार करके आपको hits में display करता है. Each hit in the list has a link that when clicked, आप जब भी किसी भी particular option पे click करोगे तो it will link to another web page. When clicked, whenever you will click, you can open another web page. Displays an associated website or web page. Most search engines sequence the hits based on how close the word in the search text are to one another. Means I have given you example. If you are typing banner, so related information to banner, banner campus, banner students, banner faculty, banner public school पीलीभीत, banner website, तो उसी से relate करते हुए सारे words और phrases को relate करते हुए websites और web pages के link आपको display हो जाते हैं. Understood? So that is what here is written. It search texts are to one another in the titles and descriptions of the hits. Thus, the first few links probably contain more relevant information. सो दैट आपके सर्च करने के बाद जो पहले स्टार्टिंग के 1 or 2 लिंक्स होते हैं दैट विल प्रोबेबली help you to reach to the particular site where you want to go. ओके उन्हीं में आपको मिल जाएगी आपकी रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन. सम वेब ब्राउजर्स कंटेन एन इंस्टेंट सर्च बॉक्स, दैट कुछ वेब ब्राउजर्स इंस्टेंट सर्च बॉक्स भी प्रोवाइड कराते हैं. व्हेन फिल्ड इन यूजेस आ predefined or default search engine to perform searches. Okay, now next thing is search techniques. What are the techniques we need to follow to search anything? If you enter a phrase with spaces between the words in the text, search text, अगर search text में आप किसी भी word को या phrase को enter करते हो with spaces, space देकर, most search engines display results जिनको हम hits बोल रहे हैं. जो result display होते हैं we are calling it hits. So most search engines display results that is hits or that are hits that include all the words. वो आपको hits में related information की websites या फिर web pages के link show कराएगा. The following list identifies techniques that you can use to improve your searches. Number 1 is use specific nouns. Okay, put the most important terms first in the search text. Means instead of typing a full line or a quotation, you need to type a particular specific nouns. Suppose if you want to go through the site of Benner Public School, so you will type directly www.bennerpublicschool.com. Okay, instead of typing that I want to go through with Benner's go through in Benner site, I want to search Benner. Instead of typing this full phrases, you need to type the particular specific noun. Okay, next is use quotation marks to create phrases so that the search engine finds an exact sequence of words. See, if you are searching for a particular word, particular phrase, so use quotation mark for that particular phrase. जिसमें आपको जो आपको सर्च करना है उसको आप quotation marks में enclose कर सकते हो, so that your search engine will exactly give you the particular result. Next is list all possible spellings. For example, email means e-mail, capital E-mail mail. So list all possible spellings. For example, इस तरीके की आप सारी पॉसिबल स्पेलिंग्स को टाइप करके देखोगे टू रीच ऑन योर पर्टिकुलर गोल. नेक्स्ट इज इफ़ द सर्च इज़ अनसक्सेसफुल, अगर आपका सर्च नहीं हो पा रहा है, वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं है, विद वन सर्च इंजन ट्राई अनदर. ओके, बट इट इज़ not easy, it is not correct most of the time. easily we can find any website, any web page, हम किसी भी सर्च इंजन में बहुत easily find out कर लेते हैं. तो ये possibilities बहुत कम आती हैं कि we are unable to find or we are not successful to search any of the thing. So if you want to search anything, directly specific nouns को टाइप करके आप सर्च बॉक्स पे सर्च बटन पे क्लिक करोगे एंड रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन यू कैन गेट ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Okay, so that is all for today. I explained you about the e-banking, searching information on internet, search engine, search techniques. Okay, and in our next video we'll complete the chapter and then we will do question answers and exercises also. And all the exercises you will do in your book with the help of pencil only. Understood? Thank you.